KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition. This is for Tuesday, the 25th of September. This is James Spann. Wet is the word. Occasional showers and thunderstorms likely for the rest of this week, but that's some good beneficial rain we could use. Here's the deal. Got a big, deep, refreshing trough digging down across the Great Plains. That's the ones the models advertised last week. And we'll check the radar this morning. Got a few scattered showers about. That was at 5:03. Had some really big rain yesterday up in Rainbow City. Our sky watcher there had 2.5 inches of rain yesterday. How about that? We'll see those showers increasing later today. Got a flash flood watch north of the state, parts of Kentucky, Ohio, West Virginia. Severe storms possible for places like St. Louis, Chicago, Indianapolis, Detroit, Cleveland. Tomorrow, got a risk of severe storms for the northeast United States in advance of the front. A marginal risk down into northern Tennessee. And on day 3, which is Thursday, a marginal risk of severe storms across parts of the Carolinas. And notice the dry air just creeping into northwest Alabama. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. The east fairly wet, the west fairly dry. Now, and this is the rain again through Tuesday morning of next week. On top of the rain we had yesterday, 2.5 inches, Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden. 2 inches for Huntsville. 1 to 2 inches for the southern half of the state. Again, that's some good rain. You like to see that coming into October, which is typically the driest month of the year. Tropical weather. Got a post-tropical system called Leslie out in the middle of nowhere, and that stays out there. And then we've got the ghost of Florence that's off the coast of the Carolinas again, and the ghost of Kirk that's a low-latitude system. Here's the 5-day outlook. That ghost of Florence will sideswipe the Outer Banks, maybe producing some wind and rain there. Like that thing just never goes away, but that will be curving out to sea. And then there's a chance Kirk might try and redevelop in the short term, but if it makes it, more than likely it's going to be torn apart by strong winds aloft in the Caribbean. And Leslie, again, could redevelop, but none of these things threatening the Gulf of Mexico. So model fans, let's go. This is the GFS, the 06C run, valid at 1 o'clock this afternoon at 500 millibars. There's your big trough coming down the pike. Down below that, cloudy, occasional showers and storms likely today with highs, I'd say mid-80s in most spots. Tomorrow, a very refreshing air mass just north of here, the front getting down to about Memphis. Showers and storms likely. Thursday, the trough digs deeper, pushing the ridge well to the east. The cold front so close. By Thursday afternoon, it should be lined up from Huntsville down to about Vernon. So northwest Alabama could be in dry air Thursday with lower humidity, but for most of the state, showers and thunderstorms are likely south of the front. And again, last week, the models advertised the front pushing through here. We get in very refreshing air by Friday. But unfortunately, the trough passes us by, and the front hangs up near the northwestern corner of the state. This is Friday, so again, we'll have the chance of scattered showers and storms around low 80s, and understand temperatures close to average, but I'm afraid the 70s probably not going to happen now. This is Saturday, and again, the dry air just north of us, so close. But for now, it looks like a day with a mixture of clouds and sunshine. We'll have scattered showers and storms, and the same thing on Sunday. Highs for the weekend, again, low to mid-80s. Let's go to Monday, 1st of October. Looking relatively dry here. This is Tuesday. Big deep vortex over Canada, but the ridge rebuilding down here. And again, that means a chance of scattered showers and storms. So let's go out 10 days. At some point, one of these waves will indeed come on through. I mean, it's getting into October. This is Thursday, the 4th of October. GFS advertising a deep trough. A surface front coming on through with a good push. And again, this is 10 days out. We'll see if that changes, but that might very well happen. Just for the fun of it, we'll check the European at the same time. This is Thursday of next week, and it's not quite as bullish with a trough. But the idea of troughing in the east, ridging in the west, that would look pretty pleasant. We'll check the numbers. And again, the one thing you don't see are the 90s. I firmly believe that the 90s are gone until next year for most all of Alabama, at least the northern half of the state. Highs in the upper 70s maybe on Wednesday and Thursday with clouds and rain. And again, 70s show up again out there October 7th through the 9th. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.